Hello everyone, it's me again, Harnik Rai, your Punjabi teacher. And today is our last sign we call Matra, called Bindi. It's just a dot. And this dot gives us the sound in nose for N or M. And it is used on top of the sign or after the sign. I'll give you some examples. And there's still so many things to learn. As I said, I want you to learn simple words and to read. And if you really want to write proper any language, it's a little bit hard, but I'm not saying you cannot learn, no problem. Anyway, now we are going to discuss. And I wrote down the previous signs just to remind you. I try to remind you in every lesson, but I will not discuss the sounds of it. If you remember, the first one was Kanna, Sihari, Bihari, Onkar, Dulankar or Dulankre, Lama, Dolama, Hoda, Kanoda, Adak, Tippi, now this Bindi. And I'm going to use some examples. What I'm going to do is we can just clean the board, and I will use first one example, probably the simple one, Kaan. In English, crow. In Punjabi, we call it Kaan. So, Kaan, you know that the sound of Kakka, and to make it if you remember, is Kanna. Now it is Ka, but we want to make it Ka, like a sound in nose. So to make the sound in nose, we will put dot on the top. This will give you the sound of like Ka. And then we can use 16. I really don't have to write down in English, but the reason I'm writing and telling you so that you can learn at least new word in Punjabi language too. So 16 we call Sola. Sola means 16 in English and in Punjabi Sola. So if you make the sound Sola like so, is sa, sasa. Then L is la. To make the sound so, you remember hoda on the top, and to make the sound of kanna after lala. So this is sola, but we want to make it sola. So sound, we put dot here. And the next one, 17, in Punjabi we call stara. So again, sasa for sa, tata for ta, then rara. So if we want to make the sound ta, kanna, ra, stara, but we want to make a stara, ra, and this is stara. We use one other word, nama or nave or nava. Nanna for N. Baba, so this is nav. If I want to write the nava, kanna, but we want to write the nava, one. So, Bindi. If you want to write down nave, you know that it would be lama on the top, same Bindi, this is called Nave. For example, when we say we are going or we were going, in Punjabi we write down Asi ja rahe haan, Asi javange, something like that. Asi means era, then sa Asi. This is Asi, but we want to write down Asi. Bihari, because I told you the Bindi goes on the top of the Matra or after. If it's Kanna, then it's go on the top. If it's Lama or Hoda, it's go after. There are some limitations when we use the signs, which sign cannot be used by the other one. I will make maybe 1 or 2 lessons to explain. I did not try to explain with every sign. It would be a little bit too confusing for you in the beginning. But if you know the sound, how we make the sound with these signs with Matra, then it's easy for you to remember which one cannot be combined. As I said, when you start to learn the new language, you have to take what we call baby steps. You learn the language, we have to start from somewhere. We cannot be a doctorate of a language in a few days. And I hope you enjoy this lesson. Sometimes some people tell me I don't laugh or smile that much when I'm teaching. It's my habit. Even the newscaster here in North America, sometimes they tell you an accident, the bus go in a ditch, 20 people are dead, and they're smiling. I mean, what's so funny about it? You're supposed to be emotionless, but if you can leave some comment if you think it shouldn't be like this. I try to smile. My friends worldwide in sports, they know I always smile. I'm a happy man. Anyway, I let you go here. I hope you enjoy the lesson. And now we will try to make longer phrases, words, and I will try to explain which sign cannot be used where. But before we start these all signs combinations, I will tell you half letters where we use half letters and where we can use it, where we cannot. Yes, at the end, I will say have a good day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and God bless you all.